Welcome to the Repeat Rewards Learning Channel. In this video, we're going to go through how to add transactions via the merchant site using a virtual terminal. The first step is to log into your merchant website at repeatrewards.com. Once logged in, click Quick Actions at the top of the page and choose Add Transaction. This will launch the virtual terminal. To add a loyalty purchase, you're going to begin by putting in the member number. This could be the number on a card, or if you're using phone numbers as the member number, this could be their 10-digit phone number. Then proceed to the next field, which if you have multiple locations is going to be to choose a location. If the purchase date is the same date you are entering, you can leave it with the selected date or choose a date in the past for a past transaction. In the employee ID field, you'll input the employee ID entering this transaction, which we recommend that you use for tracking purposes. You can leave this blank if you do not wish to track it. In the product code field, you can select different product codes to give different points per dollar spent, or you can leave this field blank to give 1 point per dollar spent. In the next field, you will input the transaction amount that you'd like to give points for, and if you want to give points specific to a product and use multiple product codes, you'll see an additional line appeared. In the next field, you'll input any promos or certificates being redeemed. You can also choose the buttons underneath, like Add Certificates, to see certificates available and add to the transaction. You'll notice on the right-hand side of the screen, the member's information is displayed as well as any outstanding offers that they have available. When you are done inputting the information, click Add Transaction. From here, you'll see a receipt for the transaction you inputted, and if you'd like to print, you can choose the Print button. The next tab you'll see is for Add a Void. This would be if somebody returned something they had received points for and you would like to take away the credit. So you would add the same information, adding the amount to void as a positive number in the amount field, and then click Add Void to complete. The next option on the left is Batch Certificate Redemption. This would be used if you had a stack of certificates that were redeemed that weren't added at the time of the transaction. You just input the different certificate numbers here and click Redeem Certificates. After you've inputted the first certificate number, additional lines will appear so you can add more than one at a time. The next option on the left is for Point Balance Inquiry. So for this, I'm going to use the test number of 999,999,999,999, and I'll click View Balance, which shows me that member's information as well as their current point balance and any offers outstanding. The next option on the left is Reward Certificate Inquiry. If I had a certificate that I wasn't sure had been redeemed, I could input the number here to check its status. The next option is Promo Code Inquiry, which is the same as checking a certificate.